Okay, then I'm going to remove this kind of wood fiber floor that's on top of the actual wall structure. So let's see how it goes. So quite nice structure. There are just some lumber on the bottom, then this kind of fiberboard, something like, let's say, 8 millimeters. Then the wallpaper. Seems to be multiple layers here, but anyway, pretty simple structure. I could have probably selected some better tool for this removal of the board, but now I just have to go with the tools that I had with me. So the actual building is from 1950s. I would have thought like lumber availability at that time was pretty good, but as you can see, it is pretty much like miscellaneous stuff that they have used here. There are boards with bark still on the planks and also different widths there on the wall, but quite nice structure anyway. Very breathable and no plastics used. Okay, so one wall is now done. internal surface layer removed. Then perhaps I could take away the lumber from one side of the wall and it would still be structurally holding the house up. Okay, that was the internal surface layer of the wall. Now it's then mostly a matter of taking the garbage out. So that was the surface layer of the first wall in dining room. Now then just some details to be completed around the door. Can't really stop the walk there, so I'm still going to work with another door opening from the dining room. Next task with this dining room demolition or reconstruction is to remove the door frame. play it safe. I cut the electricity all together from the house, so nothing's hot. Okay, I have really no experience on these 1950s electrical connections. So connections have obviously been done at very tight space. So there you can see not much extra room there to fill with the wires. But let's just take away some of those. That might be the actual feed of the power, I guess. That's how it's gonna go. I will close the box and most likely there will be no power the socket or the light anymore, but that's how it goes. I will switch on the power, let's see what happens. I have this kind of new scraper tool to remove this fiber board. Let's see if that works better than the crowbar. No, it doesn't. So, my old reliable removal tool. One more double check with the electricity. Seems fine. Love the use of nails. Okay, I'm interested to see what's there inside the wall on top of the door. So let's take a peek there inside the wall. Okay, could it be that that's filled with sawdust? Extremely dry wood. Well, some might say it's a great job to do this kind of thing by hand, but perhaps I should leave it there. Okay, let's take a peek inside the exterior wall, if that's also like sawdust insulated or if there's some more modern thing there. Of course, with my favorite tool again. Yes, definitely sawdust also there. So very clearly, also the exterior wall is having this sawdust insulation there.
This is my progress tracking sheet. Here you can also see the floor plan for the ground floor. Now I can tick the first task done. Thank you for watching.